Are you looking for a 3-bedroom home in Rancho Palos Verdes? Come check this out. You're gonna love this beautiful home behind me. This beautiful home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, almost 1,900 square feet, and it's priced at $1,880,000. So let's come take a tour of this beautiful home. So if you like this home, call me for more details or to schedule a showing appointment. And if you're looking to buy a home in the South Bay, Rancho Palos Verdes, Hermosa Beach, Manhattan Beach, El Segundo, Redondo Beach, I would love to help you out. So please call me at the information below. And until next time, take care and make it a great day.